Today we're making another irresistible one-pan Mexican classic, a burrito skillet that captures all classic flavors in a quick, hearty meal. It's a fast filling option for those busy nights, very popular for its easy prep and minimal cleanup. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad, and if you're looking for a quick, healthy meal ideas, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you with simple, healthy recipes and smart tips for delicious, stress-free cooking. Let's get started. So as usual, we're going to start by cooking off the ground beef. I have about 1 pound of ground beef here. You can use ground turkey or chicken if you prefer, or if you want to keep it vegan, um, you can use an extra can of beans of your choice. So this is going to take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to it, halfway. I have it on medium. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then once the meat is fully cooked, I'm going to drain any excess liquid before I add other ingredients to it. So we want to get rid of that excess liquid. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 small onion diced, 1 small onion or half a large onion. So we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 green pepper diced, kind of medium size. And cook that for a couple of more minutes. Then I'm going to add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. I like fresh ingredients better than dry. Instead of garlic powder, I prefer fresh garlic. So then I'm going to add 1 jalapeno, seeded and diced. So I still have it on medium heat. Now I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomato, drained. We don't want too much juices in there. The can is about just less than 15 ounces, like 14 and a half, something like that. You can opt for fresh tomato if you prefer. This is a super quick way to make this delicious dish. You know, I always keep a well-stocked pantry with canned goods and a fridge full of fresh veggies. This means I can whip up meals like this in no time at all. Chances are you already have most of these ingredients right in your kitchen. Now I'm going to add 1 can of pinto beans, drained and rinsed. So let that cook about just a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of partially cooked brown rice. I prefer this method rather than uncooked rice because it's significantly faster. Uncooked rice can take up to 8 to 10 minutes to cook, but this method only takes a few minutes. It's a great time saver. There. It just needs like I think like 4 minutes or so to be fully cooked. So it's a time saving of 8 minutes, the way I calculated. I have it on low now, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix. Then I'm going to add some shredded cheddar, mozzarella. You can add some Mexican cheese, any cheese that you prefer. And then I'm going to put the lid on it and turn it up a little bit and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. And we got one more thing left. So there we have it. Looks delicious. So the only thing is left is garnish with some fresh chopped cilantro. And I'm going to get a tortilla and I'm going to make my burrito and enjoy it. There you go. Bon appetit. So there you have it. Now this dish serves 4 to 6 people, and a good sized burrito like this has approximately about 450 calories. This is how you easily can create something this good in just a matter of 15-20 minutes. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and leave me any comments or question that you may have. I'm going to include this recipe's ingredients in the description below, along with some of my favorite food products that I use in my kitchen regularly. So you can check them out if you like. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.